The output of the code that you see on the screen may seem strange to you, and if you look at the array, it's got 3 elements in it. Within this list you have the first element with a comma at the end. The second does not end on this line because it doesn't have a comma, but it continues to the next line. So what Python does is it sees that these two strings, the string literals, are located adjacent to each other with only a white space in between, and so it concatenates them together. And that's the reason why you see the output having Peter as one list element and Paul, Mary concatenated together. You can use this within your own code for better documentation. So suppose you're declaring a variable and you want to join multiple strings together. You can add comments. So that is very complete because I'm going to continue on the next line, and there an asterisk. That's a perfectly valid string in Python. So we are documenting each part of the string using comments, and we don't have to use \n to separate the string across multiple lines.